Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome protocol GPTBeast, which is the world's first fully chat GPT driven app that generates and designs jaw-dropping funnels and websites, sales scripts and voice scripts, ebooks, creative digital arts in just a single click that helps you to generate huge profits daily. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works with various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 10 plus amazing bonuses for you worth rupees $5,000. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started. So hurry up, get access to it right now, enter my promo code and get special discount from my side.